Okay, they went to go get our Cracker Barrel, so we are going to play a prank like we're laying in the bed. And I'm going to have it filmed. This is like my sister's supposed to be in bed. This is me and Trey is supposed to be in bed. Of course we're going to have some of the lights on. Yeah. That one should probably stay on. Yeah, that one needs to stay on. Well, I hope we cut this one. That one looks... I know, and that one looks real. From here... Is this one okay then? Yeah. And that looks like Tori is there? Yeah. Alright. Oh, darn, Mommy took her purse. I was like, she's got fur, we can make it like look at hair. Alright.
We headed to Homestead, but no, it provided a great race out here. Goodyear brought a good tire. These drivers did a terrific job. It still had its moments to where if you didn't respect it and tried to do a little bit too much, you could get yourself in trouble, but a great job by all.
Yeah, it was good. The track surface was good, and it was getting better all day long. I think as it goes, this is going to be one of the better racetracks on the circuit for racing. We saw some three.
Championship on the final lap of the race. Casey Kane breaking a long dry spell.
Okie dokie, we're getting ready for bed. Our prank failed. We
can still upload what we did have though.
We don't have anything.
Well, we'll show how we failed at least.
I just got through eating Cracker Barrel. They're going to bed. It is 3 o'clock in the morning. Well, probably like 3:36 in Pensacola. We are getting ready. Say hello. Say good morning, Mommy. Say good morning, Saraya. Okay, say hi. Trey's over there playing. And Brandy's down there. John. And our plane is right there. Right there. Taraya. She did. She's doing so. I hate how to pull her out. She's doing good.
Just that one time, right?
Say hi, Taraya.
Put your bag in the other one. I thought I had to go underneath the seat in front of me. I didn't got the seat in front of me. Oh, so it has to go underneath the seat in front of me, not behind you. It's from the other side.
too early.
Stop talking to me.
Right. It's too early.
Really? That's how you're gonna let Vegas see you? Trey, sit down. Sit down. Come here. Just take a look, okay? Don't you drop her, Brandy. See? Alright, it is 7:40 p.m. 11 p.m. back home. And we are getting ready for night night. See, I'm being a whiny poo. There's the strip. Kind of dead. Alrighty.